Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see here many interesting features, and this is the drawing. We start by creating this revolving body with dimensions 188, 40, 440, 460, and using the center point right here. Let's get started. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch on this plane with X to the right. Then we draw an axis of 100. This is a center line with the midpoint coincident with the center point. Then we draw a horizontal somewhere here, down, right, down, left, aligned with the vertical, going here, but perpendicular here, aligned with this. Very good. Equal are these two, and diameters are 440, 460. This is 88. And now we have a fully constrained sketch. Revolve, and this is the first volume. Next is this feature, this one, with dimensions radius 130, distance of 75 to here from the center point, 145 and 90. New sketch, circle with the radius. You see here the radius 130 at a distance of 75 on the same vertical, this center with this point. Then a rectangle starting from the circumference and coincident also with the circumference. We apply split for this arc. Why? Because we want to make this construction. These two, line and arc. Good. 90 is this, and 145 is this. 145. Finish sketch. Now you see here 150 minus 100 is this extrusion. Extrude 150 15 minus 100. We don't create new dimensions, we use the drawing. Okay. We must cut the revolving volume with this 70 line. We use this plane, we project this circle and we draw a line here at a distance of 70 from the center point. Finish sketch, extrude this area, other direction, all the way, cut through the part. Another cut is this. Dimensions, radius 100 from this center, not from the center point, then 120, 145. This is the width. Yes, 50. Good. This face we draw a circle by using the center. We project only this to obtain a center. You see here the center, because we have to create a circle with the radius 100. Once again, rectangle containing this circle. Again, split only this arc to make it construction. This dimension is 50 and this is 120. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction through the part. Okay. Next is this pocket with the depth of 55 and dimensions 30 and alignment of this with the center point. This face for a new sketch, then we project all this area. We know where is the center of a circle. This is the center. The radius is 185. Then we draw lines, but let me see inside. Line vertical from this up to the circle, and another one, this one. This must be aligned with the center of that circle, and this is placed at 30 minus 30 divided by 2. Trim this, this and this. Finish sketch, extrude this area, the other direction at 55. Okay, you see that pocket. Another cut is this one, radius 180, 80 and 200 between these two. There are two cuts here. We see that we have a note here, undimensioned fillets are radius 10. There are some kind of features so that we start applying them. 10 is this, the first, this is the second, not reverted. Then, 10, what is this? Then this, and this. Good. Okay, now we can apply the mirror for all these features. Mirror, we select 1, 2, 3, but these are not good for what we have to do. I keep press the Control key on the keyboard and I eliminated these two. Then the mirror plane, which is this one. Okay. Now I don't know why this fillet is not mirrored here. This means that we have to place it by hand. 10. Okay, I really don't know why this was not mirrored as the other. Last features are these two holes. Diameter of 30, distance of 290 symmetrical, and distance of 50 on vertical. We turn back the part, we select this face, then we draw a horizontal with a length of 290. It has the center on the same vertical with the center point. Then another dimension of 50. We know that these centers are coincident because this is 100. But since we have here a dimension, we respect the dimension. Finish this sketch. Hole. Diameter of 30. This and this are the points. And we have to select a surface, which is this. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Right click, Eye Properties, Physical Update, copy, close, drawing, double click and the new value is somehow different, but we keep the last value because this is what we made today together. The part is made of steel cast. The aspect is also steel cast, and there are some faces. I select them by keeping pressed the shift key on the keyboard because I want to make them polished, still polished. We select view, we select default IBL to be default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.